I won over my anger, and I'm grateful to God. I have not lost anything, guys. Change is inevitable. A big credit goes to Colors for my entire journey as an actor.
India's most popular television actor and the runner-up of Big Boss 18. Women, how are you feeling about losing the trophy by just one step?
I have not lost anything, guys. Trust me, I don't feel that I've lost anything. I know, all my fans are emotional that I did not win the trophy, and they're very, sad about the fact. But, I'm grateful to God that, He gave me such lovely fans who supported me throughout the journey, and more addition to the, Vivian Desena fandom. And they are the ones who have made me reach the finale. So I think let's be positive about everything and be grateful.
Absolutely. I think even this is like probably maybe the RK phase that had happened back then. I saw a revival of Vivian Desena, the kind of love that you got from across, and people just kind of a new generation of people also got to see you. But now that you look back at the 15 weeks of your journey, how did you think you fared?
But I'm grateful that I went into the house. I somehow got control a lot over my angers. There were some times, some moments where I used to just lose it,
Yeah.
you know. But now I'm grateful that I won over my anger, and I'm grateful to God, and most importantly, I'm grateful to all my fans and viewers, and I just only love for them is what I can give.
And you got really emotional when Big Boss was talking to you towards the end. Tell me what was going on in your mind.
I could see a transparent screen right in front of my eyes, and I could see my entire journey of Big Boss House of those 15 weeks. And I'm glad that I agreed to do the show finally, and it has just led me to be a better person.
That was actually my next question because Noran had said that how she had forced you and she's scared. What would be your reaction once you go out? Now that you look back, tell me more about it.
So of course, she is one of the major reasons why I agreed to do the show, because she always kept saying that Baba, I think God has been really kind. You've been doing great in your career, but I think it's time to challenge yourself, and this challenge will only make you a better professional and most importantly a better human being. We all evolve in different stages of life. Like how it was said in the middle that we expected Vivian Desena to be so and so, but yeah, I mean it's a journey. So what you were 3 years back is not what you are today, and what you will be 3 years next, like 3 years in future, you are not that today. So I think the most beautiful part about life is the ever-changing, human. I cannot phrase it in correct words, but yeah, I mean, change is inevitable.
Absolutely. And even do you feel
And I think one should accept it gladly, and he should be grateful. And I have never complained in my life of not having something, and I think I'd like to continue to do that, because I somehow feel, because I never complain, I got, and more than, like you see the fans, more than what I asked for.
Absolutely. And even a lot of fans also feel that the Ladla tag went against you because everything that you did was judged. Tell me, what do you have to say about how Colors called you the Ladla?
See, Colors called me the Ladla because one needs to understand that there's only one network I worked the most in my life. I was offered, let's not say it on camera, but I was offered by many people for a lot of work. But it was, me always being grateful to them, because whatever I am today is, of course, because of our viewers and fans. But most importantly, where is it? Because a big credit goes to Colors for my entire journey as an actor. So I think that says it all. And as far as the Ladla tag is concerned, so see guys, I was Ladla to Colors, but now I'm also a Ladla to the audience and the viewers.
Absolutely. Lastly, Vivian, tell me what's the plan? How do you plan to go back and kind of rejuvenate
I
yourself?
have never planned anything in my life and I don't intend to. Wherever life takes me,
Amazing, amazing.
that's all.
Thank you so much, Vivian. With camera person Sahil, Sana from Mumbai.